It's still early in the year, yet we've seen a good share of flagship smartphones being released recently. This includes the Samsung S10 Plus and the Huawei P30. But what if I told you you'll probably get a bang for your buck with a flagship phone that's just recently launched? My name is Rul from Stuff Asia, and welcome to our unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi Mi 9. Without further ado, let's free this phone from its plastic and cardboard prison. As usual, you need your tools. It's not a knife, but it works. Peel this off. Since we forgot to prepare a dustbin nearby, so I'm just gonna... Please don't do that at home. Right, so that's out of the way. Now, to open the cardboard box itself. Actually, quite a nice box. Quite stylish, it has a gradient to it. Very premium, flagship. It shouts flagship like no other. Right, let's take it up. More details here. Designed by Xiaomi, how about that? Right, let's take this out. And here we go, we have the phone itself. Right, here we have the phone, and this one is in piano black. Right, let's peel off the stickers, seals, whatever you call it. So according to the sticker, it uses dual nano SIM, something to keep in mind. So I'm just gonna switch on the phone. I'm just gonna switch on the phone. Don't make me a liar. Since now there's the battery. So I'm just gonna switch on the phone. It's booting up right now. I'm just gonna put this to the side and let's explore the rest of the box itself. So the exterior box, obviously from what it looks like, it's where the casing is stored. So you got also a black yet translucent casing for it, silicone. This in front, warranty card. Was there anything else in here? Yes, there is. Look at that. So you got a converter for the USB Type-C, and this doesn't look good. This is for a headphone jack. Yeah, so which means the Mi 9 does not have a headphone jack. It's a bit of a bummer for most, but for those who can cope, I don't think anyone would mind. So aside from that, there's the user manual, I assume. Alright, so let's put this all back in here, and also the pin for the SIM card slot. The other contents of the box include the USB Type-C cable, and of course its charger. And I think that's all in the box. Yep, that's pretty much it. There's no earphones, man. Yeah. Bummer for that. Oh well. So the phone is on right now, as you can see. It's using the MIUI 10, MIUI 10? Is that how you say it, Kelvin? Yeah, okay, that sounds better actually. MIUI. So let's bypass all the settings, Google services, accept. Come on, we just want to explore the phone. Set password, I'm just gonna skip that. And by the way, speaking of which, fingerprint scanner, it's in screen. So that's another cool thing that they did. Right, let's talk about the phone itself. This is Xiaomi's first ever flagship phone that's running on the Snapdragon 855, and that's actually a big deal. And in terms of performance, we shall see in the review. The other attraction to this phone is the 48 megapixel camera. Like I've mentioned earlier, this is the piano black version. Let's explore the phone. So for those who are curious, this phone is running on Android Pie. got that covered. Camera app, so 48 megapixel in its glory. You have various zoom modes for you to choose from. There's a wide angle and there's the standard 2x. But expect a full review of the phone coming up soon on our website and as well on our YouTube channel. So that was our unboxing for the Xiaomi Mi 9. For those who are interested, the 6GB plus 64GB variant of this phone will be available at 1,699 ringgit, while the 6GB plus 128GB variant will be available at 1,999. I'm Rule from Stuff Asia. If you like our videos, remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do follow us on Facebook and share our content with your friends, of course. This has been the Xiaomi Mi 9.